The BC CDC oversees the distribution of Take Home Naloxone kits across the province. The naloxone kits themselves contain naloxone, which is a life-saving medication that temporarily reverses an opioid overdose.
Yeah, the pharmacy team packs approximately from 500 to 1500 kits per day. Okay. We send out 5,000 kits a week. The kit contains 3 ampoules of naloxone, a breathing mask, a pair of gloves, 3 alcohol swabs, 3 retractable syringes, that's a form for overdose, and a quick instruction label. We have 2 people dedicated to the naloxone program full-time, 5 days a week. I am one of those people.
To date, we have over 1,600 take-home naloxone sites, which includes many community sites, health units, emergency departments, corrections facilities, as well as community pharmacies and First Nation sites.